Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make ginger and clove water for hair growth. I just posted 2 videos showing you how I use rosemary oil and rosemary water for hair growth. If you haven't seen those, I'll have them linked down in the description box. And if you're new here, my name's Angel. I post weekly videos and I love staying up to date with all of the latest trends. So make sure you're following me on all social platforms and let's get into it. So what are cloves? I didn't know what cloves were until I made this. Cloves are dried flower buds from the clove tree. They are a popular spice that people use in soups, stews, meats, sauces, and rice dishes. They have a sweet and spicy scent with a warm and woodsy foundation. It has a strong scent. It's not my favorite, but it's bearable. Clove promotes hair growth, helps eliminate dandruff, strengthens hair, improves scalp circulation, prevents premature graying, adds shine to hair, and controls excessive shedding. Ginger's antifungal, anti-inflammatory, and antiseptic properties aid with dandruff treatment. Ginger also improves scalp stimulation, which in turn encourages hair growth. I love ginger. I love the smell of ginger. If these scents are too strong for you, you can always add a few drops of essential oils to your water, like lavender or orange. I heated up 4 cups of filtered water before adding my ginger and my cloves. I rinsed my ginger before chopping, and I kept the peel on because the peel contains twice the beneficial polyphenols as the flesh. I added my ginger and about 2 handfuls of cloves and let that simmer on low heat for about 20 minutes. Then I turned the heat off and let it steep for a good 2 hours before straining it and transferring it to the fridge. I applied this to my scalp this morning. I gave myself a nice scalp massage. It felt really nice and I could feel my scalp warming up, which means you know it's working. I read online you can apply this 1 to 2 times a week, but everyone's different, so just do what you think works best for you. I'm honestly going to apply this probably 4 to 5 times a week, and I still have some rosemary water left over, so I will alternate between the two. I have psoriasis and it tends to flare up on my scalp, so I'm excited to see an improvement through using this on a weekly basis. And that's how I made ginger and clove water for hair growth. It's really that simple. Remember, consistency is key. I'll be posting a hair update as soon as I get through this batch, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Make sure you're following me on all social platforms, and I'll see you next week.